Welcome everyone! Today I want to share a super easy dessert recipe that will only take minutes to prepare. Peanut butter stuffed dates. They are delicious with coffee and especially great for people who are trying to get rid of sugar addiction, as that stuff is very bad for us.
Its consumption has been linked to various diseases.
Because of a spike in dopamine and endorphins release, which are involved in reward and pleasure system, you will get a feel-good mood fast, but later you will crash, just like with addictive substances.
When you stop eating sugar, you also get similar withdrawal symptoms: headache, fatigue, mood swings, muscle ache, nausea.
Also with time, regular consumption of sugar can lead to tolerance.
Where more sugar is needed to achieve the same pleasurable effect, corporations know it and use this human weakness to generate profits. Not only sugar is found in sweet foods and added to teas and coffees, but also in less obvious foods like sauces, bread, salad dressings, ready meals.
And the list goes on. Therefore, watch out and read the ingredients. Eating dates instead is a wonderful alternative, satisfying that craving for something sweet without messing badly with your brain chemistry.
To make this treat, you need some dates. I have here 6 Medjool dates, then 6 teaspoons of unsalted and sugar-free peanut butter, and then some flaky salt. All you need to do is cut the dates lengthwise and get the bits out. Then fill them with peanut butter. You will need about 1 teaspoon to stuff each one of them, depending on the size of the dates you're using. At the end, sprinkle your dates with some flaky salt, and you're done. Dessert making cannot be easier.
So good, they really taste like the Snickers bar. Whenever you have craving for something sweet, these are your guys. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Take care and goodbye.